Ooh, it's windy, so I wasn't satisfied with that little gap here. So I went to the hardware store and got me some nylon spacers. So these ones are a little bit thick, a little bit thicker than what is here. The space here, I measured it. It comes out to about oh geez, what was it? Was it God, I can't remember what the number was now. Let me get my calipers here. So zero it out to the depth gauge here. Okay, so there's the that's the depth, right? So 100, basically 101,000 or 102,000ths of an inch. So so that's the depth. The stock. Well, these things, these spacers, anyways, they're oh, sorry for the shakiness. I should have it on my gimbal, but I don't. So that's how thick it is. So basically, I have to take off 20,000th, at least 20,000th of an inch. And currently, I'm on my first one. My first one is down to basically just about right. That's good enough. It's taking me forever. I'm basically I was using the file, but it seems like the nylon is just kind of gliding over the file. So I got a little bit of this. This is for copper pipes. Cleaning up copper pipes for soldering. So that's what I have. That's the material I have. So that's what I use. So a little faster with that. Basically, I'm just putting it over here. Use the file as a flat surface and just doing that. And it seems to fit. Seems to fit in here. So it seems to fit just about right. Also, I actually drilled out the hole, the ID just a little bit, so it fits the screws a little bit better. I think that's a good idea because the hole is kind of small, kind of tight when you screw this in. Even if your spacer is the same thickness, when you screw this in, because the hole is too small, what happens is there's going to be extra material, and the extra material will actually make it seem like it's thicker than it actually is. So I drilled out the hole first, then I start sanding it down. So I basically just right now finished one. It took me forever. So I need two more. I need to do one right here and one down in the center here, and that should be done. These two back here don't need it. These two back here, they're good to go the way they are. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching.